If you think you're posting bad videos on YouTube, this is the video that will open your eyes on why you should keep on posting that videos to blow up your channel. One thing you should understand on YouTube is that there is no perfect YouTuber or there is no perfect YouTube video. For each video you see on YouTube, there is always something that the creator didn't like about that video. So you don't need to be perfect before your channel can blow up. In fact, it is the least expected videos that actually make it to the top of YouTube viral moments. It is those videos that you didn't expect or you didn't actually go out of your way to make that will actually give you that viral moment that you need. So I will show you an example. My very first YouTube video that went viral, that particular video is a video that I made in a not so good environment. I actually didn't like the environment that I shoot the video, and the camera, the video editing, and also I never had a microphone at that particular moment. I was still learning how to be comfortable on the camera, and the angles were not given at all. So, but that particular video went viral because all of those things were not a matter of concern to my audience. It didn't actually matter to the viewers that were viewing the videos. They actually saw a different thing in that particular video. So that was the reason why it went viral. All the audience wanted from that particular video is the value that I was giving in that video. So all of those things were not a matter of concern to them. They wanted to see what I was delivering in that video and which is the value. And now of my second video that went viral and that gave me the viral moments that I needed to have my watch hours was a video that I made during the night, and the video condition was not giving, the angles were not giving at all. I was not sitting comfortably. How I was speaking in a low pace, and it wasn't actually giving at all from my own perspective. When that video picked up, it was after the first week of posting that video, it just blew up because that was when people were searching for it. That was when people started seeing that video. So what retained them and what made that video to go viral was because of the value that I was giving in that video and not actually how I presented the video or how I was talking in that particular video. So if you keep on waiting for that perfect video or that perfect moment, your channel is not going to pick up, your channel is not going to blow up. So you need to take that chance, you need to take that opportunity to post that bad video. So even if the video is bad, just post it, and you don't even know how the algorithm works. It might be the best video that your audience, the viewers, actually want from you. So this is an opportunity for you to post that one video. So, but remember, this doesn't mean that the video shouldn't have value. No, bad video doesn't interpret to bad value or to low value video. It actually means that you're looking beyond your imperfections, you're looking beyond every other thing that actually make up a video on YouTube. Go on to post that particular video because you know the value you're giving, you know what your audience wants to see from you. They're not looking at how your face is, they're not looking at your mouth, they're not looking at your environment or how you're presenting the video. All they want from you is the value. So this is the reason why you should just focus on value instead of just focusing on your insecurities and post that particular video. You need to post that one bad video and you see how your channel is going to break forth. Okay, so break out of your shell and break out of your insecurities and start creating on YouTube. If YouTube is something you really want to do, if YouTube is something you really need to do, this is the moment that you need to just start creating, start posting that particular bad video and see your channel move from zero to something. And again, another reason why you need to post those bad videos is that the more you post, the more you get perfect at creating, the more you get perfect at filming, the more you get comfortable on camera, the more comfortable you become on creating content. Okay, so the more you post, the more comfortable you get at speaking to the camera. So, and the more you do this, the more it brings you closer to achieving your YouTube goals. Okay, so this is the reason why you should just post and see your channel move from nothing to something. So I'll be waiting for you to break out of your shell, and also love to see you create more videos from now henceforth. Just post that video, take that bold step, and take your channel to the next level. If you actually love this video, this is an opportunity for you to drop a comment, subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed, and tell me what you think about this video. And if you just subscribed, please let me know in the comment section. Let me welcome you to this community, and I would like to see you next in my other videos. Bye.